Today is Good Friday. It's the day we observe when King Jesus was crucified. But here's what most people don't realize. The first No Kings protest didn't just happen over the last several weeks. It happened 2,000 years ago. Matter of fact, in John 19:15, Pontius Pilate asked the Jews, "Shall I crucify your king?" And they shouted back, "We have no king but Caesar." See, they rejected the true king and chose a political ruler instead. See, it didn't stop there. In John 19:6 and also in Luke 23:21, they shouted, "Crucify him, crucify him." Even earlier in John 18:40, they chose Barabbas, a criminal, over Jesus. They traded righteousness for rebellion. They traded the truth for what they wanted. And here's the truth. When people reject the true king, they don't just say no king, they crucify truth. This isn't just a historical record. It's a mirror, because the question didn't die with that crowd. It is still being asked today. Who is your king? They didn't lose a king. They rejected the king. And he still chose the cross anyway. So I'll ask you, who is your king? If it's Jesus, comment Jesus a king, and share this with somebody who needs to know that Jesus is king. And today he was crucified, buried, and resurrected for them so that they could be forgiven and receive eternal life.